Imagine a company has 1,000 of servers, applications, databases and cloud services. Now imagine nobody knows which system depends on each other. When one server fails, it becomes difficult to understand what business service may be affected. So that is where the ServiceNow CMDB administrator comes in. So hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video, we will break this role down in 5 simple points. So point number 1, what this role is. A ServiceNow CMDB administrator manages the Configuration Management Database, also called as CMDB. The CMDB stores information about important technology components such as servers, applications, databases and cloud resources. These components are called configuration items or CIs. The CMDB administrator makes sure this information is organized, accurate and useful. Point number 2, main responsibility. Their main responsibility is to maintain a trusted view of the company's technology environment. They make sure CIs are placed in the correct classes and contain the required information. They also manage the relationship between CIs, such as which application runs on which server. This helps the organizations understand how its technology services are connected. Point number 3, day-to-day work. They review CMDB health dashboards to find the missing information, duplicate records or incorrect relationships. They investigate data quality issues and work to correct them. They support discovery, which automatically identifies devices and softwares across the company network. They manage CI lifecycle activities such as updating records when systems are added, changed or retired. They also review data coming from different sources to prevent one source from overwriting better information from another. Point number 4, who they work with. A CMDB administrator works with infrastructure, cloud, applications and security teams because these teams own much of the technical information stored in the CMDB. They work with ITOM teams that use discovery and service mapping. They also support ITSM teams, especially incidents, problems, change management teams. When team needs dependable technology data for reports or decisions, the CMDB administrator helps provide it. Point number 5, why this role matters. A poor CMDB can lead to a bad decision during incidents and changes. For example, a team may approve a server change without knowing that it supports a critical customer application. A reliable CMDB helps team understand impact before they make changes. It also helps them respond faster when an incident affects an important business service. So in simple terms, a ServiceNow CMDB administrator keeps the company's technology information. They help teams understand what they have, how it is related, and what may be affected by a change. You can explain these 5 points clearly. You can explain the ServiceNow CMDB administrator role with confidence. So thank you for today. Keep like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.